Good morning, everybody. Y'all, I can't believe I'm on here without any makeup on. But I got a new toy, and I've been wanting to try something that I see people doing. I'm going to try to make a cinnamon roll waffle. And I just got this new waffle maker. And I know, look, y'all didn't see me unbox it because I had to turn it on and, clean it and all that stuff and get it ready. And look, I got Locke sitting over there at the table waiting on his waffles. Barry, he's postponing his grass cutting because he wants to see how this turns out. Anyway, has anybody cooked the cinnamon rolls on a waffle maker? I'm going to try that. This part always scares me. And listen, I want to show y'all this. It is so pretty. And I told Barry, I said, it's hot too. It's the Drew Barrymore waffle maker. And I said, Barry, it's a B for Barry. Anyway, it rotates. And I was like, how do you turn it on? And Barry's like, flip it over. So you flip it over to turn it on, and it has like a ready light and a power. A ready light and a power light. Anyway, and it has to be turned on this side to open it. Let me put it there. Anyway. I hope, and you can set it on 1, 2, or 3. I don't know how dark I want it. But the main thing is getting these cinnamon rolls ready. Hey, Anita. All right. Whoa, that wasn't too bad. And I think, I'm thinking I can put like 4 on there at a time. What do y'all think? Whoops. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Look, y'all don't pay no attention to me. We're trying out this new waffle maker. Hey, and look, it comes with instructions that I didn't read. All right, let's get started. I've got it on 3. We'll see how that does. And there goes Barry out the garage door. Barry, you should have said hey. Okay. I'm gonna try 4 pieces. I hope that doesn't make it explode. I should have watched a video or something.
Let's give it a shot. I'm willing to try it.
And look, I'm pressing it down. Yeah, it says no spray. It said not to use any spray. I see y'all asking about that. And let's see. Close the lid and rotate 180 degrees to the right for 2.5 minutes or until desired doneness. Well, we're not taking that call. Anyway, has anybody got this waffle maker? It's my first time trying it. And I'm like, I just put 4 cinnamon rolls in there. I hope it's okay. And I'm not timing this, so hope it's I kind of want to flip it back over and check it, but I think I better wait. Good morning. I hope you have a great day too. I see a couple of names on here I probably need to block. I'll have to do that later. Good morning. Has anybody ever cooked the cinnamon rolls on the waffle maker? That's what we're trying to do. We'll go ahead and get a plate and a fork in case they need something. Hey, Vicki. Y'all didn't know we were going to have a cooking show. Okay, it says it's ready. Let's see. Well, look, it's very close, but I think it needs a little bit more. Can y'all see that? Turn this down. Can y'all see them? I'm going to cook them just a little bit longer. But yeah, this waffle maker says do not spray anything in there because it'll build up. Y'all, they are smelling so good. Y'all know why I wanted this, because it's white and it's pretty. And listen, look, every time I think about every time a waffle is mentioned, I think about Mama because she loved waffles. And she had something similar to this, but she would like mix up waffle mix and put it in like a little pitcher with a lid on it and put it in the refrigerator. And let me see. Okay. I think we got it for another 3 minutes. Anyway, so waffles are good memories is what I'm trying to say. Hey, Sherry. I see a couple of y'all want, if you need the link for the waffle maker. Oh, I've already forgot what I said. You want me to send you a piece? Okay. Oh gosh. Let me get my computer so I can tell you what the link is. Y'all better not let me burn my waffles. Oh, look, if you want the links to the waffle maker, just type breakfast. And Locke just told me I'm supposed to set it for 1 minute. That's getting close. You already had breakfast? What'd you have? Come here and tell everybody, hey. Yeah, breakfast is the key word. And y'all look, you gotta, don't, Locke, this is hot, but lean right here so they can see you. Tell them, hey. Tell me, are you going to try one of these?
Maybe.
I think you will, especially with this icing on them. How's everybody doing? Hey, Sharon. And what they say is, I have never had anything but that small waffle maker. But what they say is when you are able to rotate it, it makes your waffles better. Oh, that's looking good. But listen, like when the dial is up here, you can open it. And when it's this way, it doesn't open. And a few minutes ago, I was like, Barry, how do you open this thing? And he said, flip it. Thank goodness for Barry. I think I'm going to have this ready to spread that. I probably should have heated that up and poured it over there. Debbie, go get you some waffles. And I'll tell you, another thing that I want to make is, you know how you can take that's close, y'all. You know how you can take, like almond flour, cheese, and an egg and make different things. Anyway, there's lots of waffle recipes out there that I want to try that aren't cinnamon roll. But now y'all, I'm sure y'all don't blame me for wanting to try the cinnamon roll thing, right? My goodness. How awesome can it be? I see Sue laughing. It's good to see you too. Yeah, y'all all standing and waiting for breakfast. You love Barry? Look, Barry loves waffles. Please don't heat in plastic. What does that mean? There's no plastic. Leslie, I gave you the link. If you just type breakfast, I'll send it to you. Cake mix is in there. Well, and like I said, I told Barry it's the Berry brand, but it's actually Drew Barrymore. Okay, y'all. Look how, I did not spray it, but look how easy that looks. I always say I had grandma hands, granny hands, because I can touch hot stuff. Okay, let me turn it off while y'all are watching. I don't know. Y'all, I like white appliances. What can I say? But she has real pretty colors. There's like a green one too. All right. This is hot. I got to save some of that for the other 4. I bet. It look like what's in a plastic container?
Please don't ban me.
Oh. There they are. And you know what? Somebody said this was the first time they see me live. Well, listen, y'all. Usually I'm not cooking breakfast. But y'all said y'all like to see all my stuff. Here you go. Isn't that... It looks so good. Y'all, it smells good too. That's good. All right. If you want a link to the waffle maker, just type the word breakfast. Chris, you got the pots and pans? I'm going to start getting everything. Especially after this. All right, y'all. Have a great day, and I'll see you later. Well, I'm coughing. I got to get my coffee and now my cinnamon roll. Bye now.